Okay, just as California Governor Jerry Brown declares an effort to ration water, it starts raining. And take a look, folks, all along the street, and it's really nice. And no, that's not a full moon, that's the light. So I don't know how long the rain is going to go on, but we definitely need it. I'm glad I'm not caught in it. Have a look. See that? Ta-da. Very cool. And it's just in time because the air is beginning to smell a little not so good. Look at that. It's cool, isn't it? All the way up the street. Here in Adams Point. Rain. We need more of it. Just don't rain on me. Ugh. And you got to be careful crossing the street, right? There. I love that. Look at the way the light plays off the sidewalk. If you can see that. Yes, you can. Very cool. Ah, smells fresh.